So you just bought a steam mop. You like that they use less water than regular mopping, and you love that you don't need chemicals since the steam is hot enough to sanitize. Only you're not sure how to use it. Don't worry. I'm Jacob Palmer from Best Reviews, and I'm here to walk you through it using two Shark Steam Mop models as examples. The Shark Steam Pocket Mop and the Shark Genius Steam Pocket Mop. Before you do anything, make sure steam mopping is safe for your floor. Whole sheet linoleum and sealed tile floors like ceramic or porcelain are all good to go, but never use a steel mop on unsealed floors or natural hardwood. Steam gets into the cracks of unsealed floors and causes mold, while it'll also cause hardwood to warp. If you're not sure if your floor is safe for steam mopping, we recommend you don't risk it. If your floor is safe, pre-clean it of big debris and excess dirt by sweeping or vacuuming. If that big debris is a monster mess though, like if your child got loose in the kitchen and ground fruit into the floor, you can stop here. Intense cleaning like that requires a regular mop and a prayer. Steam mopping is more for maintenance. Removing excess dirt is important because your steam mop will convert it to mud. A little bit of dirt is fine, but check out our Shark Vertex or robotic vacuum comparison videos for suggestions on this step. For both Shark models, this starts with filling the reservoir. Only use water and do not add anything else, especially chemicals. The heating process can vaporize chemicals and create extremely dangerous fumes. You also shouldn't add essential oils or other similar products. These don't vaporize and gum up the insides of your mop. Once the reservoir is full, attach the handle to the top of it. Next, slide a mop pad onto the head of the mop and attach the head to the bottom of the reservoir. Both models come with a pair of excellent pads that we rated as a 9 out of 10. They're washable, reusable, and double-sided. We cleaned one floor of 1,300 square feet house with only one pad, and could have kept going. The Shark recommends you get brand new pads every 3 months or so, and with your mop put together, the last step is to plug it in and let it heat up. Most, like the regular Pocket, take about 30 seconds to get ready. The Genius takes slightly longer at 35 to 40 seconds. In the Best Reviews testing lab, we give 9s to both for their timeliness in heating up. The Genius has 3 steam settings to choose from. As soon as you pick a setting, steam starts coming out. It also has a steam blaster feature that shoots a jet of steam out in front. This shoots no further than a few inches and it's angled downward, so there's no risk of harm to anyone. We love its performance and give it a 10 out of 10. The Pocket is a little bit different. To get steam to come out, you have to pump the handle. We like the extra control over when steam comes out, but it can be a little tiring, so we gave it a 7. With your steam sorted, it's time to push and pull. Like regular mopping, you need to put some elbow grease into it and scrub. It's a great time to scrape the lingering fruit stains out of your flooring. Just don't scrub the same spot too long. Continuous contact with temperatures that high can damage your floor. If a spot is still dirty after 10 seconds, move on and circle back later. The Pocket takes real effort to keep moving because it doesn't output much steam. This ensured we scrubbed that much better though. Still, we prefer ease over strain and give it a 7. The Genius is much smoother, practically gliding in comparison with its higher steam output. We give it a 9. Start by unplugging your mop and letting it cool. The pad gets dangerously hot because the steam has to be hot enough to sanitize. Do not let any pets or children near it while it cools. After about 15 minutes, your floor should be dry and your mop pad cool enough to touch safely. Remove the dirty mop pad and add it to your laundry pile. Some models, like the Genius, have a touch-free pad release button. It lets you skip the cool down and drop the pad directly where you want it. Next, disassemble the unit and dump out any excess water from the reservoir. Leave the reservoir open so any leftover drops can evaporate rather than turn to mold. Put all the pieces away and that's it. You've successfully steam mopped. Again, we like both the Shark Genius and Shark regular steam pocket mops. We give them matching 9s in cleaning performance. But the Genius costs $130 while the regular Pocket costs $90. For that extra $40, you get a smoother scrub plus some extra steam settings. Considering the cost isn't much higher and that we prefer the smooth experience, we say the Genius is the best of the best Shark Steam Mop. We're still happy to recommend the regular Pocket. It's a great way to save money without sacrificing cleaning quality, especially if you don't mind the extra scrubbing effort. Once again, I'm Jacob Palmer from Best Reviews. Comment your thoughts below, give us a like, hit the notification bell, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. And if this video helped you simplify your purchasing decision, you can check out the links below in the description.